Hi, good afternoon, my dear student. Yes, today most important chapter determinant. So before determinant, we are going to clarify some very important concept. What do you mean by first question rises? What do you mean by unknown? What do you mean by variable? So variable means the values is always changes. So for example, I'm going to defining variable always changes the value, right? Or another definition, not a fixed values, right? So this one concept. So for example, you can take here example x is there, right? So in this one, you can take a constant number. Constant means a fixed number, a fixed values, right? Does not change the values. Example, you can take 5, 10, 11, minus 7, whatever the numbers. So both the combining, which deals with known and unknown, that is called algebra. Why I'm going to take algebra along with some equation. Two kinds of values are there. We are going to let us discuss two very important concepts. Shall I take here? So x plus 7 is equal to 3 is there. So this one you can take a wonderful equation to value x is equal to 4. This is the solution of equation, alright? So now I'm going to take x plus 7 is equal to 0. So look at this equation. It is called equation. Which type of equation? Linear equation. Linear equation. So most important concept. What do you mean by linear equation? The equation which is having degree is 1. The equation which is having power or degree is 1. So this type of equations are called linear equation. So now I'm going to take another most important concept. So here, shall I take a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So here a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Look at this equation. So here x and y are two variables. Alright? So two variables are there. So look at this one. I can express for the two variable. That is called pair of linear equations. Hence today I can consider pair of linear equation will be studied algebra and algebraic of matrices. Along with that expression we should be studied about the determinant. So 100% you are going to defining for the linear equations, pair of linear equations, and along with these equations to convert in the form of matrix. So which deals with maximum, we are going to find out the uniqueness solutions. So that is the most important. Here that, so these equations I can consider a1, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, a2, b2s are there. So this one along with x, y. So this one C1, C2. So this is called the determinant. So this is called the matrix, right? So matrix forms are there. So will be converted. Then these equations. So you are going to take a1, b2, a2, b1 is not equal to 0. Or the sense of things a1 divided by a2 is not equal to b1 divided by b2, right? So this one is the determinant. So look at this one. The number which deals with a1, b2 minus a2, b2 along with a determinant of values associated with the number. These expressions are known as called the determinant. Yes, this is the wide applications are there. Science field, sociology, social science. It means your another most important economics you are going to study. All the things they are going to express for the most important concept of the determinant. So next class we will go to introduction of this chapter and will continue the some other things. Thank you so much. So these are the general concept, beginning concept. So next concept I will give the blueprint and other things of the which one deleted portion and express for the our chapter. Thank you so much and bye.